our school's district supervisor, who is June Paha, our esteemed council headed by Jesus, Kagawad in charge in education, Kagawad Edith Morillo, to the lecture under the leader mates and batchmates, our loving parents, the 7 years in Sta.Lucia Elementary School roller coaster ride, filled with love. The ups are filled with the times of appreciation when my achievements had been my honors. The downs come when our grades starts to drop, when our friends aren't there to pick us up when we're having hard times. But no matter what, all I can say is always to learn, pick yourself back up, and focus on the roller. To our beloved teachers, thank you for joining us on our roller coaster rides, being there every step of the way, along with teaching us how to reach our true potential. Looking that there are times we struggle because not only did we find it hard to socialize and with each other, but also difficult to study with no teachers guiding us in person. Blended learning was something new, and we greatly appreciate our teacher being there for us, talking to us in group chats, and answering all our questions. Even when we moved back to school, it still did not feel normal as our year and set B. When we stepped into grade 5, that's when we felt some kind of normality. I met new friends, met my best friend, and I competed in several competitions, such as the science quiz, poster making, cartoonist, and journalism. Special thanks to my teacher and coach, Ma'am Cynthia J. Bagasala, during my journalism contest. Also to our supportive principal, Sir Greg B. Beloro, and to all the teachers that taught me here in Sta.Lucia Elementary School. To my school friends, thank you for all the wonderful memories. To the most important people, Ma and Pa, thank you for all the supports and being there for me, especially at times when I really needed you the most. I appreciate all me to provide me with all the things I need. To all my classmates, good luck on your future adventures. I will miss all the fun times we spent together. Now we're moving on to our next chapter. I know we will miss each other. We will see each other successful in our own rights. It's an honor to be a part of SL's family. Again, congratulations, graduate. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjean. To turn over the class.